मनीसय न्ही आणि प्राणी न्ही महत्वाचे कितें काय म्हण विचारशात जाल्यार ती झाडां वेगळ्या वेगळ्या सुवादांची भरपूर झाडां असली जाल्यार मनीस आणि प्राण्यांमदी संघर्षाची पाळीच येवची ना. बाबा आमटेच्या आनंदवनाची सीईओ डॉक्टर शीतल आमटे काराजगीन सांगले. दोतोर शीतल रानात जनावरांच्याच सांगातान रावता. गोंयांत वागांक मारपाचे घडणुकेचे फाटभुंयेर तिणे मुलाखतीक जाप दित ना ही उतरां काढली.
महाराष्ट्रातल्या चंद्रपूर जिल्ह्यातल्या अटंगे रानात बाबा आमटेन आनंदवन उबें केलां. खास करून कुष्ठरोग्यांचेर उपचार करपा खातीर ताणें भोव कश्टान हें नवें जग तयार केलां. उपरांत गडचिरोली जिल्ह्यातल्या रानवटी भागात बाबा आमटेचो चलो डॉक्टर प्रकाश आमटेन हेमकलसा प्रकल्प सुरू केलो, जंय सगळी फामिली सगळे तरेच्या रानवटी जनावरांच्या सांगातान रावतात. सद्याक ह्यो दोनूय सुवातो सैम मोगी, प्राणी मित्र, पर्यावरण मोगी आनी समाज वावुरप्या खातीर श्रद्धेची थळां जावन रावल्यात. विकास आमटेची चली दोतोर शीतल आमटे कराजगी ही त्या अटंगे रानात रावपी तिसरी पिळगी. सध्या आनंदवनाचो वावर तीच पळयता. मुलाखतीच्या निमतान शीतल आमटे कराजगी गोंयांत येयल्ली. फामाद चित्रकार दोतोर सुबोध केरकाराच्या मोग म्हटल्यार म्युझियम ऑफ गोवा ह्या कलादालनात साहित्यीक नमन धावस्कर सावंतान तिची मुलाखत घेतली. गोंयांत हालींच वाग मारपाची घडणूक घडली. हे घडणुकेचेर तिणें कितें प्रतिक्रिया उक्तायली पळयात.
What is first, a man or an animal, and how it should be balanced, and how this whole problem should be tackled?
See, man is also not important and animal is not also important. Tree is very important. If you have native trees, those trees are going to produce enough food for the tiger's prey. If you have enough food for the deers, if you have enough food for the monkeys, tigers will not come out. Because in the name of development, we are indiscriminately cutting native trees. We are actually also reducing the habitat for our honeybees, which are pollinators. We are planting a lot of trees, but we don't know which tree to select, why to select, where to plant, how to plant, and whether to actually really help it survive or not. We just plant it and we forget about it. It should not be done. It's like giving birth to a baby and putting it on the road to die. So, selecting the tree species is very important. See, whatever we are learning in the school is totally irrelevant now. What are we going to do by learning Boston Tea Party? I don't understand. If the school children learn about native trees, they'll at least understand that I should do something about it. So our entire school curriculum needs to be changed. And so man, animal, tree is important.
ह्या संदर्भान सरकारान घेवपाची जबाबदारी विशीं ती उलयली पळयात.
There are at least couple of good men, good people in every department. So catch hold of the finest person who is very sensitive. Whenever we choose a minister for forest, that person has to be very sensitive towards environment. Because what I feel is forest department and the environment department, these two departments are the most essential departments. We feel that the Mahsul department is very important, the revenue department, and because they can, I won't quote anything, but these are called as Malaidar Mantralayas. But I think for the next generation, forest department is very important.
गोवा 365 ब्युरो पणजी.